To set up and use voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter General Management, and then we can enter Samsung keyboard settings. From here, scroll all the way down and find the voice input right here. Now you will need to choose the app that will, the plugin that will use voice typing. You can go for Google Voice Typing or Samsung one. In this case, I'm gonna select the Samsung. You can then download the offline language pack for the language that you have added to your phone right here. And then to actually use it, if we have our voice input selected, we can then open our keyboard. Now look for this microphone icon in the bottom left corner. Make sure that you allow this permission while it asks for it, and then you'll be able to start voice typing. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.